making some lemon cake donuts. So I'm going to be making a vegan and gluten-free version. However, you can change and omit the ingredients as you prefer. So what you're going to need for this recipe is some vegan vanilla Happy Whey protein, gluten-free all-purpose self-raising flour, coconut sugar, almond milk, vanilla extract, egg substitute, some lemon juice, turmeric for colour, lemon zest, coconut oil, and for the icing I'm going to be using some plain coconut yogurt, maple syrup, coconut oil, and sprinkling with some toasted coconut flakes. So there's two parts to this recipe. I'm going to be adding the dried ingredients for the donuts into a mixing bowl, mixing that until combined, and then I'll add in the wet ingredients and mix that again. Then I'm simply going to pour that mixture into a greased donut pan, place that into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius and cook them for 10 to 12 minutes until they're cooked. And then to make the icing, I'm simply going to be adding the protein powder into the coconut yogurt with the coconut oil and maple syrup, mixing everything until it's nice and combined. Then when the donuts are cooked and ready, I'm going to let them cool down for about 15 minutes and then simply ice them with the icing mixture and then sprinkle a little bit of toasted coconut on top to garnish, and they'll be ready to serve.